Hi, my name is Tammy and I want to share with you about how Valasta has helped me. A few years ago I was diagnosed with MS, multiple sclerosis, and it's an autoimmune disease that attacks your nerve system. The protective coating around your nerve is stripped away and the raw nerve is exposed. It's really painful and exhausting, and it really slowed me down. I tried some of the medications for MS, but they were even worse. They were really harsh on my stomach and they made me sick. It didn't relieve any of my pain, and they set me back further because they weaken your immune system even more than it already is. Once I started taking Valasta, I noticed that my pain was less severe, not nearly as sharp, and I wasn't as tired all the time. Pain makes me tired, and I shut down my life. I slept a lot and I didn't go anywhere. I started taking Valasta twice a day, every day, and it's changed the way I manage my MS. I still have bad days. I still have days where I need pain meds from time to time, but those times are getting less frequent. Valasta helps me with my pain, which gives me more mobility, which gives me part of my life back. I've tried some of the other versions of red algae, but they're no contest when it comes to my results. Valasta is part of my day every day, and now I wanted to share that with you just in case it can help you or someone that you know. Give it a try. You might be surprised like I was.
Hey everybody, my name is Chuck Brennan. Had MS for 28 years. I was introduced to Valasta about 5 months ago, 4 months ago. And seen such a drastic improvement in my walking and my sleeping. And it's just amazing. I've taken thousands of dollars of medication to receive what Valasta has given me in just a short time. See improvements in my vision. With having MS, that does affect my vision, my endurance, my stability, my ability to walk. I tried for a long time to work with MS and it just got too much. I'm just very grateful for everything Valasta has done for me. It's given me hope that, the doctor told me when he diagnosed me, which took forever, about a year before I finally was diagnosed. Then I got a diagnosis and he said, "Hey, great news, Mr. Brenner. It does not shorten your life, you just won't be able to do anything. You will be in a wheelchair." And 25 years later, I was confined to a wheelchair, and deep down I thought, well, I should expect this because that's what the doctor told me. And Valasta has given me the ability to take care of myself a little bit. I can go to the restroom, get a drink, walk across the house, which is immeasurably rewarding for somebody that was very involved. Have a beautiful wife, 3 kids, a great job, career. And even knowing that I had MS in the background, it didn't stop me. But I run myself down so much that Valasta is really, and I don't know, I don't understand all the mechanism of it, but I know that it is working. So I'm just um, I I promote it to all my friends every chance. My wife has um, arthritis, and I talked her into taking some because there's no side effects at all. None. None. Some of the side effects of the medication I took, man, was bad news. They were worse than the effects of MS that they were trying to fix. So, Valasta, I have had no problems at all. Highly recommend.
Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.